In this video, I will show you how to pay a Payoneer payment request. When someone sends you a payment request, you will need to receive it via email. Go ahead and open the email containing the request, and you will be able to see the amount you need to pay. To proceed, click on the Pay Now button. This will open a new tab where you will be prompted to enter your email address. After that, click on Continue to Pay. The next screen will display all your details provided by the person requesting the payment. Scroll down and you will be asked to enter your phone number, email, and password. This information is necessary for faster payments in the future and to help track your payments. Once you have filled in the required details, click on Pay Now. On the following page, you will need to select your payment method. In my case, I'll choose credit card and then click on Add Payment Method. Here, enter all your payment information. Once you've completed this, scroll down and click on Add Card. After your card has been successfully added, the amount requested along with any Payoneer taxes will be deducted from your card.